sa ating Tirana Bus Express. Ladies and gentlemen, let's also give it up for Winwin Marquez. Miss Winwin looking very fierce in white, strutting the red carpet. Don't forget to strike a pose right in the middle of the stage for our photographers. Susunod naman ipakikilala Miss Annalyn Barro! Nandito na si Miss Annalyn. Next, let's introduce Rahil Birya. Bago mag-red carpet, nagpangalak muna sa fans si Kim Jisoo. Take your moment first in the middle. There you go. And all set to level up the thrill in this action-packed series. Make way for Mr. Raymart Santiago. Next is Miss Angelou De Leon. Miss Ian Laurel. And Mr. Richard Yap. And now, let us all welcome ang mga bida ng Never Say Die. Sila ba ang magiging pinakabagong partners in crime o sila ay magiging magkatunggali? Magbibigay buhay sa mga katauhan ni na Andrew Dizon at Joey Delgado. Let me hear you scream for Pambansang Ginoo David Licauco and star of the new gen, Jillian Ward. So at this point, let's do a cast photo here on stage. So we want to do one standing up first. So one cue right there in front of the stage. So everybody please join in. From our cast and directors, this is for our friends from the press. Here we go, please take photos and videos. Look at the cameras. Flash your best smile, and for our friends from the media, please don't forget to use our hashtag today. Hashtag Never Say Die MediaCon. We have our official photographers in the middle. Nandiyan din po ang ating news team and the members of our GMA internal teams. They're right there in the middle as well. Closer. Yan, compress ng konti. Alright, once again, let's give it up for our cast and directors of Never Say Die. Thank you so much. Again, we'll have another round of photo op later. For now, ito na po. Panoorin muna natin ang mga kaabang-abang na eksena sa pinakabagong pasabog ng GMA Prime. We kind of ask everybody to refrain from recording the video. That's all.
February 2 at 8:55 p.m. sa GMA Prime.
Oh guys, palakpakan naman para sa team ng Never Say Die. Thrilling, action-packed preview. But again, that's only a sneak peek dun sa mga encuentro magaganap sa serye. And I also understand for most of the members of the team, this is the first time that they actually saw the scenes, the preview, the trailer. Let's hear a few words from the main stars, Jillian at David. Anong reaction nyo dun sa pinakita nating AVP na yun? Sige, who wants to go first?
Actually, napanood ko na siya eh.
Okay.
Doon sa small screen. But siguro reaction ko syempre kanina walang sounds. Kapag ginagawa mo kasi siya, hindi mo nakikita kung gaano kalaki yung ginagawa mo. Kasi per scene eh, di ba? But actually now, the first time ko siya makita, ang laki pala ng teleserye na kapag nadikit-dikit na. So, ayun, ito na yung pinaghirapan namin. So, we're really happy na finally mag-release na siya. Kasi dapat November ba ito eh. Diba? So, yeah, really happy.
Ito na. And ito rin yung pakiramdam, di ba, kung nakikita mo na nasa screen kung paano yung execution ng mga esteemed directors natin. Okay, Jillian, how about you?
Ako naman po, first time ko po siyang napanood. And hindi ko ina-expect na ganun pala kaganda yung show. Kasi during the filming po nung show, hindi ko alam ano yung itsura ng mga eksena, pati yung... Hindi ko lang po in-expect na as in sobrang ganda talaga. And ganun kalaki yung project. So, parang ngayon ko po na-feel yung pressure. Kasi during shooting days po, hindi ko kasi talaga alam kung ano yung kakalabasan ng show. So, shoot lang ng shoot, pero ngayon ko na po nare-realize na next week na pala ito papalabas. Pero confident naman ako kasi sobrang galing po ng mga directors namin and lahat po yung mga kasama ko. So excited.
Yeah, this is, a very good team that you guys are working with. You guys are in good hands. Okay, so mamaya po makakausap pa natin sila. But isang maangas at exciting na performance ng theme song ng Never Say Die. Gaganap din siya sa serye bilang Kyle, personal assistant ni Andrew na magaling kumilatis ng tao. Let's give it up for Sparkle Star Kim De Leon!
anong laban, puso ang sandigan, aking hahalin. Never, never say die. Habang ang pangako, tapos ang sinundan, sa liwanag ng bukas, ako'y hindi mawawala. Bawat habang, kung sa tunay natin habang, ang tinig ng tapang hindi mawawala. Ito'y lalaban, ang tama hanggang wakas. Sa puso ko, pag-ibig ang aking lakas. Kahit sa ulos, ako'y di magtinag hanggang makuha ang justisya. Walang susuko hanggang sa dulo. Sa apoy ng mundo, di ako umiano. Kahit anong laban, puso ang sandigan, aking hahalin. Never, ang mahina, pero di mo na alam. Lahat ng sugat kaya kung gawin kaspang. Natuto sa sarili, di na nila napumayaw ako'y babangon sa ulan. Hindi perfecto, pero buong-buo ng ang loob. Magtulong ang palagi, paulit-ulit na babang sa dulo ng laban. Ako ang sosor hanggang sa dulo. Sa apoy ng mundo, di ako tumutuloy. Kahit anong laban, puso ang sandigan, aking hahalin. Never, never say die.
On! Kim, please join the cast. Siya po muli gaganap bilang Kyle dito sa Never Say Die. Pero handa na ba kayong lahat dahil sa February 2 na yan, Never Say Die sa GMA Prime. But now it's time for us for our Q&A. Magkwentuhan po muna tayo. This is a Q&A with a twist. Okay, so this is not your usual, one question from the press and then directed to a cast member. No, we'll put a twist on it at ganito po siya maglalaro. So we're calling this, to our cast, Never Say Die Moments. Okay, so I have here with me a set of real-life situations. Okay, so pwedeng tungkol sa personal life yung sharing ninyo o yung mga pwedeng naging challenges nyo sa show. Challenges that you encountered in the show. Ikikwento nyo po, our cast and directors, kung paano sila nagpakita ng never say die moments during these situations. Okay? Got it, Jisoo? Got it? Okay. So, all your NSD moments are never say die moments depending on the situation that you pick. Pero para po itong fast talk, di man po kasi Tito Boy, itatry ko maging si Tito Boy. Kailangan po kayo makasagot ng 1 minute. Ideally, 1 minute. Ayan. Para po medyo snappy yung magiging pagkwento natin dito. Para rin makakuha ng opportunity lahat. So, ready na? Cast ready? Got it. Of course, siyempre kailangan yan. Siyempre ang buhay ng ano po natin. Lalapitan ko na. Miss Jillian Ward. Sorry. Ayan, bumunod ka na.
At saka may heartbeat sound sa likod.
Ano yung bunit mo?
Tsaka may heartbeat sounds kasi sa likod. The biggest emotional risk I took while portraying this character. Siguro na medyo malapit sa akin yung story ni Joey na nag-separate kasi yung... medyo spoiler. Nag-separate kasi po yung parents ni Joey dito. So somehow, medyo naalala ko din yung mga times na pinagdadaanan ko yun with my parents. Pero I think also, Joey has helped me sort of overcome talaga yung mga lingering pang pain na nararamdaman ko from that situation. So, yun naman. Hindi naman risk, more of healing siya for me.
Ang ganda ng
Oh, diba?
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Diba? Pinag-isipan ko yun.
It's actually a risk kasi syempre pag pumupunta ka dun sa mga moments na yun, syempre medyo na re-refresh yung mga pakiramdam mo, di ba? Pero as you mentioned, it was more of a healing experience for you. Okay. Thank you, Jillian. Don't worry, we're just getting started. Parapan natin si Jillian Walker. Ikaw na brother siya, hindi na susunod. David Dilao. Alimutan kayo ligaw ko eh. Yan. Hindi, basahin mo muna. Okay, hardest thing he had to unlearn when doing the show.
Hardest thing I had to unlearn, ano, siguro yung, I think I had this mannerism while acting na lagi ako nakaganyan. Tapos sinasabihan ako ni Miss Edlin na lagi nga daw ako nakaganon. Nakabuko yung bunganga. Kasi I feel like maybe in real life I'm like that, di ba? So I had to unlearn that. But still recovering from it dahil hindi naman ganun ka mabilis mag-break ang habits ng isang tao. But hopefully I'm getting there. Hopefully. Yeah. I think that's it.
Nice answer daw. Feeling mo ba, moving forward, na ano mo na siya, na i-alis mo na yun, yun na yung magiging, hindi na nakanganga.
Hindi, kung titignan mo nga ngayon, nakaganon to ako.
Ayan. So,
Diba?
hanggang pagtotoong buhay.
Yes.
Ba ba? Okay
Ma'am?
talaga.
Okay ba ito?
Hindi na to acting ah.
Ma'am? Pwede.
Agree naman sila. David, thank you. Okay.
Salamat.
Susunod naman. Ito na. Nakatil talaga si Mr. Richard Yap. Sir Richard. Raffle to. Yung di na nga lang masyadong premyo. Yung premyo niyo kailangan niyo sumagot.
My question is, what a moment when walking away would have been easier, but I chose to stay.
Woo! Okay, Sir Richard. You gotta go deep into the vault.
Siguro, in terms of profession, but this was before I became an actor. I was working in a company, pero na matagal na ako doon, but I wasn't very happy with what I was doing. But because of family and yung mga responsibilities, I chose to stay. So I stayed in that company for 22 years. That long. Before I figured out that it was time to go.
Wow! So sir, you're very patient.
Yes.
Grabe yun, grabe yung endurance mo dun sa situation na yun. Okay, thank you for sharing that, Sir Richard. Right, so medyo nag-open up na sila. Susunod naman si Mr. Raymart Santiago. Ganda ng jacket ni Sir Raymart. Sige, salamat po. Diba, may naiuwi na ako jacket.
Moment when my co-star helped me push through a difficult day. Alam mo, I'm very lucky na makatrabaho ko tong grupo ito. Never naman ako nagkaroon ng problema. During taping, during shooting. At nagpapasalamat din ako at hindi ko kinakailangan yung tulong nila. Pero naniniwala ako sa sarili ko, pag dumating yung pagkakataon na yun, nakakailanganin yung tulong nila, alam ko nandun sila. I thank you.
Well said, Sir Raymart. Maraming salamat. Kasunod na yung katabi niya. Ayan na, si Miss Angelo na.
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Wow.
Natawa si Miss Angelo.
Thank you for this wonderful question. A rejection that changed me. Marami rin to. Especially yung mga times when you wanted to prove yourself somehow. I won't go into details now, but merong mga times talaga that rejection feels at first hurtful. It's a normal reaction, yung to feel the hurt pag nare-reject ka. But in spite of all that rejection, katulad ng pinag-uusapan namin ni Jill kanina sa bus, sabi kasi nga sa Proverbs 19:21, many are the plans of man, but it is the Lord who directs his steps. So, yung mga rejections na yun, it was really part of it for me to be where I am. And thank you.
Thank you very much. Sabi nga nila, di ba, rejection are only redirections in life. Okay, thank you, Miss Angelou. Now let's go back to the other side here. Miss Ayan. Miss Ayan, Laurel. Your turn.
A personal fear I had to overcome.
Grabe yung mga topics natin ah. Okay.
Okay. Well, okay. Ang fear ko talaga, wala masyadong nakakaalam nito. May fear ako of enclosed spaces and elevators and crowd. So, yun yung mga kailangan ko i-overcome. Not just by, physically pushing myself to the elevator when I have to. Kasi kaya ako nagkaroon ng fear dahil nakulong ako sa elevator before. So kaya pag may taping at may elevator, stairs na lang tayo, ganun ako. So then, to overcome my fear by really pushing yourself into the situation and by praying a lot. Kasi ang daming elevator. Diba? Dito lang pagpanik natin at may elevator. So I learned how to distract myself that way.
Have you officially overcome that fear already, Miss Ayan?
Close to.
Close to.
Close to. I'm dealing with it kasi apparently, buong pamilya ko pala may ganun. I just found out. So sabi ko, okay, so this can be, overcome naman.
So the entire family, you
My
guys don't take
my
elevators?
siblings. Yeah.
Siblings.
So alam mo yung kailangan mo labanan.
Okay.
Yeah. Ay, thank you.
Thank you, Miss Ayan. Yeah, Miss Ayan Laurel. Next, Mr. Kim Jisoo. Okay, your turn. So you have to share with us your never say die moment or your never say die experience.
A moment in this project when I doubt myself, but push through anyway. I think when I doubt by myself, I always doubting by myself, am I doing good or not? But when I doubting myself, I always say, never say die.
Yes.
Kasi, pero I'm still learning but still anxiety, always scared, but try to overcome everything because since it's not my country and everything is always fresh and new environment, so I'm always trying to get used to that. Yeah, mahal kita.
Yeah. Siyempre yung talagang dulo. Thank you. Thank you so much. Next, Winwin Marquez. Ayan. O, ito na. Pang beauty queen dapat to. Sorry sa Q&A.
Kinabahan naman ako. The scene that made me realize why this story needed to be told. I believe, No, I think not specifically a scene, but the show itself. Nakita naman natin sa trailer that justice should prevail. And for me, kailangan ipaglaban natin talaga dapat kung ano yung totoo. But at the same time, we cannot just speak and speak and speak without educating ourselves with what is truly happening. So I believe when they watch our serye, yung mata nila ma-open, ganito pala, pero kailangan ko pa rin matuto kung ano yung nangyayari sa paligid natin. So I'm so excited na ipapalabas na to. It's also very timely because kailangan natin ipaglaban kung anong totoo. So I'm excited with the cast and this is such a courageous show that I'm very proud to be part of. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Rector. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Thank you, Ms. Wilman Marquez. Next, we have Annalyn Barrow.
Hello, good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Grabe. A lesson from this project I'll carry even after it ends. Siguro yung sa title na lang din itself, yung Never Say Die. Parang na kahit anumang mga challenges yung mangyari, kasi sa buhay natin talagang may maganda at hindi masyadong maganda. Pero dapat huwag ka lang sumuko. Dapat mag-pray ka lang, tiwala ka lang kay God, na malalagpasan mo lahat. At syempre, never say die.
Yes.
Laban lang.
Laban
Thank
lang.
you.
Thank you, Ms. Annalyn. Rahil, how about you? Pick out your question or your situation. Meron pa. Yeah, meron pa.
A criticism I received before that almost broke me.
Nako.
Didn't. Hindi siya sa Never Say Die, but it happened a show before. Siguro some shows before, ayoko na nang magitin. Pero merong isang director, a renowned director, sinabihan ako, hindi si director.
Okay. Katabi mo ba naman?
No, kasi kabado ako, and then there was this exercise, hindi ko nagawang maayos. Nasabihan ako na, alam mo kung ako yung director mo, tatanggalin na kita sa show. So I was like, nilaman ako ng lupa harap ng ibang tao. I was like, grabe yung na yun. Pero it didn't break me. I was like, never say that. So I did. That was one criticism.
Tuloy-tuloy na. Now you're here.
Now I'm here. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Rahil. Okay, puntahan naman natin ang kumanta ng
Yes, sir.
team. Ayan, kaka-perform lang kanina. Kim De Leon.
Grabe yung mga tanong mo, Martin.
Kaya nga eh.
Wala bang Tagalog dito?
Sana sa... Pwede natin Tagalogin. Pa-translate. Yeah.
Okay, at time my character wanted to quit, but chose to fight instead. My character wanted to quit. I can say the scene, pero yung scene na yun, my character was in danger. Actually, my character and David's character and yung character ni Chai Panasher, well, we were in danger and my character was so scared kasi we could die. But you know what? Kyle said, never say die.
Okay. Galing Perfect ang briefing sa cast natin today. Never say die. Pero syempre po, hindi tayo magtatapos without asking our two esteemed directors. Syempre po! Okay, unahin muna natin si Direk Richard Arellano. Sakto, dalawa na lang po natitira, Directs. Ayan.
Something I personally relate to in my character's struggle. Siguro regarding to sa yung character, siguro yung father, no? I'm also a father, no? So relating rin dun sa title, no? Ever since I never say die to my family, no? Para mabuhay ng tuloy-tuloy. Yun lang.
Grabe. Na-pressure si Direk Dom. Okay. Direk Dom, sige nga.
Galing so isa na lang yung ano.
Isa na lang.
Sigurado ba kayo? Naalala ko nung pinag-eulogy mong namatay si Jacqueline Jose. Natatakot sila kung ano baka sabihin ko eh. Baka yung nadadala.
Okay lang, Direk.
If I could describe my never say die moment in one turning point.
Sakto.
Perfect for you, Direk. Perfect.
One turning point.
Meron yan.
I'm sure it's turning points, but ano yung pinaka top of mind yung talaga nag-stick out for you?
Mahaba na din.
Okay lang din. Dahil si Direk naman ang huli. Oo. Dahil ikaw naman ang huli, Direk, okay lang.
Ito, re-reveal ko to. Wala pa ako napagkwento kasi pinagtatawanan namin mag-asawa to noon eh. Palagay ko mga 1999. Ano ko yan? Pala layo na kagad, di ba? 1999, wala akong kapera-pera. Nag-resign ako sa Viva. Tapos may hinuhulugan akong sasakyan. Bumili ako ng RAV4 na naalala ko pa yung hulog ko noon eh. 28,585 yung 27,585 yung binabayaran ko buwan-buwan. Hinuhulugan ko yung RAV4. Tapos umalis ako sa Viva, yun na hindi ko na lang ikakwento kung bakit. Tapos wala na akong panghulog sa sasakyan. Tapos, as in yung wala na akong pera. Hindi, siguro meron naman ako mga gismil, ganyan. Tapos sabi sa akin ng kilala ko, sumali ka doon sa contest ng Hello Kitty. Sali daw ako sa contest ng Hello Kitty, may gagawin kang parang diorama, ganun. Si Virgie Ramos may patimpalak si Virgie Ramos. Tapos yung premyo, 50,000. Kasi ilalagay mo si Hello Kitty doon sa something, baka magagawa kang parang eksena ni Hello Kitty.
Oo, tama.
Mga kadalawang buwan ako nun. So, gumawa ako, namuhunan ako. Meron dati kasi sa MTV, ang tawag doon, making the video, MTV. Puro behind the scenes kung paano. So, kumuha ko Hello Kitty sa taas, mini-make-upan. Tapos dito, 3 level, pre. Tapos yung dito, naggawa ako ng camera, ganun, kinukunan si Hello Kitty. Sa ilalim, mayroong maliit na TV. Gumawa ako ng music video ni Hello Kitty doon sa ibaba. Namuhunan ako ng siguro mga G's o 12,000. Nanalo ko 50,000.
Manalo. Hey!
Diba? Never say die moment.
Yeah.
Di ako nakaya ako kahit wala akong pera, 1999.
O, di ba, Direk? Ngayon, tuloy-tuloy yun. So,
invento ko lang yun. Na-joke, nangyari talaga yun.
galing. Thank you so much, Direk. Palakpakan naman po natin the cast and directors of Never Say Die. So, okay. Hindi po tayo magtatapos dyan. Magpaparaffle muna po tayo for our friends from the press. So, we have 2 winners of 5,000 pesos worth of GCs from David Salon. Hindi galing mo kay... Hindi Salon ni David Okay, this is care of Sir Richard Yap. Okay, 2 winners. Okay, dahil kay Sir Richard, is the honor, sir. 2 winners. Congratulations, Arnel Sarato. Arnel. Nasaan ka? Dito ba? Ayun, nasa harap. Oh, sige. Congrats, sir. Okay, one more.
Nalagay sa iyo yung David Salon.
And, is this G or G Trilliana? Yes! Ngayong araw na ito. Pero, bago po natin hinga ng mensahe, yung casting directors natin, ito muna po yung teaser club ng Never Say Die.
Dapat sana ay protector natin sila mas nakakatakot. Leave journalism to real journalists. Okay?
Hindi ako ba kayo major kung ginagawa nito?
Tingin mo pagkalkan mo. Kung may nadamay, siguraduhin namin may mananakot.
Never say die.
Sabihan mo si Joey na huwag makialam. Nandito ako para tulungan ka. I'm here to protect you.
Message lang.
Message and invite, direct.
Yari na naman. To everyone here, please tell everyone else. Abangan po nyo to. It's very, how would I say it? It's a little different from the typical action stuff that you've been seeing in local television. It's up there. Bigyan po niyo sana ng pagkakataon ng ating local na television industry po natin para may pakilala ulit ng kanilang sarili sa inyo, sa ating mga viewers. This is a really powerhouse cast. Special mention to Jisoo. Now that I heard what you were talking about how you felt, about how you feel, your directors, me and Direk Richard, we were talking about how good you really are. You come to the set prepared, you know your lines, your performance is nuanced. When you do your action scenes, it's spot on and it looks great. So I want you to move forward knowing that we're very confident with you, and so are your co-actors. We're also very confident about the show. So I will encourage you to please catch the show. It's a great show to start 2026 with.
Thank you, Direk Dom. Next, Direk Richard.
Ako po hindi ko napapahabain. Sasabihin ko sa February 2 po, panoorin po natin ang Never Say Die. Of course, with a great cast, and God bless our show. Thank you po.
Thanks, Direk. Susunod naman po, Miss Winwin Marquez. Yan, Miss Winwin.
Sa akin po, I think wala na po ako idadagdag sa sinabi ni Direk Dom. Sana po bigyan niyo ng pagkakataon ang show na to. It's also my first time doing this. It was very hard for me to let go of pageantry looks. Napaka-different po ng ginawa ko dito. Minsan po nagsistruggle din po ako kung paano ko gagawin. But I'm really confident that the cast and the director and the production really prepared for this. So sana po itong 2026, let's start very strong. Let's start with a bang, and dito po yan sa Never Say Die.
Thank you, Miss Winwin. Next, Miss Annalyn Barrow.
Ayan, good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Una sa lahat ay maraming salamat po sa time niyo at sana po ay panoorin niyo ang Never Say Die. Thank you po.
Thank you. Next, Kim De Leon.
And magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Muli, panoorin po Never Say Die. Napakaganda at napakagaling ng mga cast. At paalala lang po, baka magkasama po kami lagi ni David dito. Baka malito kayo sa amin. Kim and David niya.
Talaga? Sige nga, pagtabihin natin para hindi sila malito.
Hindi mo kita?
Hindi masyado. Oo nga. Nakikita ko kung bakit.
Pwede, no?
Pwede.
Thank you, bro.
Ayan.
May bayaran kita.
Sige, thank you.
And then, ayun po, tsaka po, pakinggan niyo po ulit ang official soundtrack ng Never Say Die, which is, ang title po ay Never Say Die. Thank you po.
Thanks, Kim. Next, Rahil.
Hi po, good afternoon. We put a lot of love, blood, sweat, and tears into the show, and sana po na yun ng chance. And we hope, not hope, we know na you will love it. And yes, God bless everyone and everyone on this show. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Let's go over to this side. Kim Jisoo. Please invite everybody to catch the world premiere.
Yeah, you guys have to watch this show because kasi I'm in here.
Of course.
That's why. Love you.
For most people here, that's enough reason to watch. Thank you so much. Next, Mr. Raymond Santiago.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po at dumalo kayo dito sa MediaCon ng Never Say Die. Yun, kagaya na sinabi nila, pinaghirapan po namin itong show na to. Ng mga director, talagang scriptwriters, talaga inayos yung script ito. Maganda pag-direct itong show na to. At very proud ako at part ako ng Never Say Die. Kaya sa Feb 2, 8:55 p.m., palabas na po ang Never Say Die.
Salamat, Sir Raymond. Next, Miss Angelou.
Maraming pong salamat sa lahat ng pumunta po dito. Of course, Sir Jamie, thank you again for giving me the chance to act and go back to my first love. Ngayon po, iniimbitahan ho namin kayong manood ng Never Say Die, isa ho itong kakaibang napapanahon na teleserye upang labanan ng mga misinformation and disinformation. Siguro ito na talaga yung panahon para sabihin natin, never say die na ipaglaban ng katotohanan. Every day po yan, 8:55 p.m. starting na po ng Feb 2. God bless us all po. God bless the show. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Angelo. Now over to this side, Miss Ayan Laurel.
Salamat po sa buong production for getting me and alam niyo po, sana supportahan niyo itong show na to that the story will grab and hold your hearts and awaken you somehow and all of us at the same time. And it's a blessing to be part of this show. At sana po supportahan niyo po lahat ng napakabait na cast. At salamat. Salamat. At manood po tayo next week. Thank you po.
Thank you, Miss Ayan. Sir Richard.
Hi, good afternoon to everyone and thank you for coming and supporting Never Say Die. Etong teleserye na to will be something different kasi I've always been known to do rom-com. So, ito will be really something different for me. And very timely ito because sa lipunan natin nakikita natin yung mga tao na akala natin ang bait-bait, tinutulungan yung mga tao, pero ang totoo lang, ninakawan tayo, sila pala ang distributor ng mga droga, sila pala ang nagsisira ng lipunan natin. Kaya dapat suportahan natin to at we should do something on our own para matulungan natin ang society. So, never say that.
Thank you, Sir Richard. David.
Totoo yung sinabi ni Richard na itong show na to ay will give us awareness sa mga nangyayari sa lipunan. And I also think na kasi sa buhay natin marami tayong pagsubok na pinagdadaanan. Diba? Pero pinapakita lang natin na we're okay, we're happy. We have anxiety, we have depression, we have problema sa lipunan like corruption and everything. Diba? So, pero tayo mga Pilipino, lumalaban pa rin. Kaya sana ay panoorin niyo ito. At never say die. Ang kalmado lang yun.
David, salamat. Nonchalant yung invitation na yun. And of course, Miss Jillian Ward.
Una po sa lahat, thank you so much po sa GMA, sa network, for entrusting all of us, especially me, with such a big project. And sobrang proud po ako to say na this show is not just an action show, this is a project with a purpose. Kumbaga sa mga dati ko pong projects like Abot Kamay, maybe na-touch po yung mga puso ninyo, but this project would open up your eyes. And I'm so excited, lalo na po for the youth, kasi mabubuksan po yung mga mata nila and magkakaroon sila ng idea sa kung ano talaga yung nangyayari sa bansa natin. And I hope that this show would inspire them to speak up for our country also. Thank you po. And sana abangan niyo po yan. And thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Jillian. Once again, let's give it up for Team Never Say Die. Muli po, isa na namang pasabog sa GMA Prime ang Never Say Die. Mondays to Fridays at 8:55 p.m. simula February 2 pagkatapos ng Encantada Chronicles Sangre. Global Pinoys can also catch the program via GMA Pinoy TV. Siyempre po, papasalamatan din natin the sponsors, the partners who made our media conference possible this afternoon. We start with Fernando's Big Shop for our cakes and pastries. Thank you so much. Thank you as well to Fedici PH for a spread of premium charcuterie, pasta juice, and cheesecake. Salamat po. Escape Manila for our hot and cold espresso-based beverages. Rocco's Charcoal Brick Oven Pizza for our freshly made pizzas. Hikodon Sushi Bar for our mouth-watering sushi spread. Taho Story care of Mr. David Licauco for our favorite taho with a twist. So man. And now, before we formally close out the program,